Right now, as you watch this, AI systems around the world are burning carbon at 23,000 grams per second. That number on screen, that's just since we started this video. Google's emissions went up by 50%, Microsoft up at 23%, and Meta all the way up at 60%. And here's the part that keeps us up at night. Most of it is completely unnecessary.
Picture this, your AI agent gets asked to summarize an email and it calls Claude Opus, the most powerful and the most carbon heavy model on the market. It could have used HiQ, a model that's 80% cheaper, 80% cleaner and handles the task just as well. But nobody told it to. Nobody's watching, nobody knows it even happened. 161 million machine-to-machine AI transactions last year, 15 trillion in agent spend projected by 2028. Every single transaction has a hidden carbon cost. Zero of them came with a carbon receipt, so we built it for it.
This is Green Ledger. Let me show you what exactly it does. First thing you see is the sustainability score. Think credit score, but for your AI carbon footprint. Every company gets one. This is a green router. Every prompt that goes through the Green Ledger gets simplified. Simple task, complex task. Does it actually need the big model? Most don't. We catch it, we reroute it.
Now let's take a deep dive into our command line interface. This is the Green Ledger AI command line interface. As you can see, it has the models listed here with their provider, their tiers, and their energy consumption per query and per prompt. And we also have their economical rating listed here, and all of this is backed by prior research. Now, let me choose Opus 4.6 for this demonstration. And let me put in a prompt. And what is Python? This is a pretty overkill task for Opus 4.6, and obviously it has detected that it is an overkill, and it has recommended us that we use Claude HiQ 4.5, and this would save us 80% energy and this much water hours, and I would obviously choose yes. And it switched us to the Claude HiQ 4.5, and it gave us the results, and it also gave us an environmental receipt. And here you can see the carbon emissions, energy, and the water used for this prompt. And if you go back here and if you hit refresh, you can see that our prompt has come here, what is Python. And you can see that it shows Opus 4.6 and it got rerouted to HiQ 4.5. And you can see the carbon emissions and the energy consumed, and also how much reduction happened using the downgrade. And you can also see other alternatives that was used. And as you can see, it did choose us not a very energy efficient model, so that we don't really sacrifice on quality, but a pretty good sacrifice. And now if you go to the agents tab, you can see that this is a sustainability orchestrator for all AI agents. We have the command line user, which is what we were, and you can see the average score, inferences, and the top scores. And we come to the carbon wallet. This is a carbon budget set to AI agents. And as you can see, it has total budgets, how much the agent has spent so far, and if the agent is at risk of overspending. And we can go to the receipts. Every query has a receipt. And as you can see, here we can see the, if you hit refresh, we can see the receipt generated for our query. And as you can see, it's the same as the downgrade that we had here. It's the same energy consumption, carbon emissions, and the water. And that's it. Thank you.
10 years ago, if you shipped software without security, people thought you were cutting corners. Today, it's negligence, it's liability, it ends companies. We believe the exact same shift is coming for carbon. Forget regulations for a second. Think about where we're headed. In 2 years, your company won't have 100 AI queries a day. It will have tens of thousands. Autonomous agents booking flights, writing code, analyzing contracts, running customer support all day, all night. No humans in the loop. Every one of those tasks burn tokens. Everyone emits carbon. Customers are going to start asking. Investors are going to start asking. Boards are going to start asking. How much carbon did your AI agents emit last quarter? Think about that. Right now, nobody can answer that question. When AI agents are doing the work of entire department, you won't be able to afford not to. Green Ledger, one integration, every model, every agent, every seat. We are Rahul, Asmit, Kashyap, and Soham. Thank you. This was Green Ledger.